Pom Pom presents Intarsia. Intarsia is used to work blocks of colour into knit fabric. Each block of colour is knit from a separate bobbin of yarn. There are no strands of yarn carried across the back of the work. We'll be working from this chart and using colour A and colour B. Our first step is to wind a small amount of colour A onto a bobbin. You can make a bobbin out of cardboard or buy a ready-made bobbin. The yarn on the bobbin will be used for the stitches on this side here, as we won't carry the yarn across the back of our work. We'll also need a bobbin of colour B for the motif. We've cast on 10 stitches in colour A and worked the first 2 rows of the chart. We'll now join in colour B, leaving a 15 cm tail at the front of our knitting. This stops the yarn ends tangling with the bobbins at the back of the work. We'll weave this in later. Follow the chart for colour B. Now join in the second bobbin of colour A. Turn your knitting and work to the next colour change. To ensure there are no holes between colour changes, twist the yarns around each other as follows. Bring colour A over colour B, purl with colour B. Continue following the chart for colour B. To make the next change, bring colour B over colour A and continue following the chart. On the right side row, work colour A until the first colour change. Bring colour A over colour B and knit colour B from chart. To change back to colour A, bring colour A over colour B. You might need to untwist your bobbins as you work. Continue working from the chart. This simple twist is repeated every time there is a colour change. Continue to untwist your bobbins occasionally to keep them from tangling. Here's our finished motif. We can darn in the yarn tails by bringing them through to the wrong side and weaving in the ends, closing any holes.